Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well. I'm so excited to be back sharing another DIY video with you all, and today I have two super easy DIYs that can be created with recycled materials. So for my first DIY, I'll be creating these beautiful vases. I'll be taking 2 sheets of paper and I'll be taping these together. I'll be folding these papers in half, and using a marker, I'm just going to draw out the shape that I want for my vase. And then I'll be cutting that shape out, then taping my paper down to a thin piece of cardboard, and this is just a cracker box. I'm going to cut the shape out, and I'll be cutting 2 of these. Now I'm taking that same piece of paper and I'm just going to cut a piece off. So taking that piece of paper I just cut, I'm going to fold that in half, and I'm going to create the shape that I want for the bottom of my vase. I'm going to cut that out and trace it onto a thicker cardboard, and I'll be cutting 3 pieces of these and gluing these pieces together. Using this roll from aluminum foil, and I'm going to just use that to help me bend my cardboard. And then glue the base to the bottom. Now I'll be gluing my other side down. And I also did cut a 4th piece to go in the middle, just so that my vase doesn't lose shape over time. I also added pebbles to the center of my vase just so that it is sturdy and won't topple over when I add my florals. Now taking masking tape, I'm just going to join those 2 edges together. I'm going to be gluing that cardboard roll to the center of my vase and securing those sides. Now I'll be taking the masking tape and I'm just going to be taping all around the top here. So taking my Mod Podge, I'm just going to be adding this to the cardboard, and then I'll be adding my strips of newspaper on top. Once I'm finished covering this vase, I'm just going to let it dry overnight. I'm just going to be taking some aluminum foil. I'm going to be balling that up and then opening it back up again, and this is going to be the texture for my vase. Now I'll be taking this and giving it 2 coats of the high gloss black spray paint, and I'm going to take this gold metallic acrylic paint and I'm just going to be dry brushing that onto my vase just to bring out that beautiful texture and give it that rustic feel, but also a touch of glam with the gold. And here is the way these vases turned out, and I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. So let me know down below, how do you guys think these vases turned out? So for my next DIY, I'm going to be creating these beautiful gold leaf stems. And I'm going to start the same way I did the bottom of the vase. I'm just going to be folding paper in half, creating that half almond shape, cutting that out, and then I'll be doing this in several different sizes. I'm going to go with an 8.5 inch leaf, 2 7-inch leaves, and 2 6-inch leaves, and I'll be cutting these out of Posterboard. Now I'm going to take a thin dowel, glue that to the center, and using my hot glue gun, I'm just going to add texture to my leaves. Now for my side leaves, I'm going to be using a Floral Wire. I'm going to add extra security for the wire, adding masking tape. And then I will be gluing down my leaves and alternating. And I'm going to do 5 leaves per stem. Once I have all my leaves glued down, I'm just going to finish off the rest of that dowel with some more of the masking tape, and then giving this 2 coats of the gold metallic spray paint. So this is the way the leaf stems turned out, and I think these came out absolutely gorgeous. I love the versatility in a piece like this. It could be used as a centerpiece in a tablescape as well as in a floor arrangement. So let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these pieces turned out? Which one of these DIYs was your favorite? I want to thank you so very much for watching, because I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you are staying safe, and I will talk to you in my next video.